Hello to everyone, especially to the students who enrolled in College of Engineering, BS Maths, BS Physics, BS Chemistry, BS Stat, and BS Education Major Maths. And to those students that your courses were not mentioned in my vlog, as long as you enroll this subject, which is Integral Calculus for this semester, I would like you to invite to study with me today. My topic is all about area between two curves. In my previous vlog, I already mentioned the steps to solve this area. We'll just use the formula area, or A is equals to integral from A to B, circle brackets y1 minus y2 dx. So take note, y1 will be our upper curve, and then of course y2 will be the lower part. If there is no limits given, if there are no limits given, so we'll just assume that y1 will be equal to y2. Okay, so on the board, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y equals x squared. And we know that this is parabola opening upward. So this is already discussed in your pre-calculus. And then the line y equals 2x plus 8. So first thing is, I need to do this one as y1 is equals to y2. So assume that y1 will be my curve. Then this will be equal to the line, which is 2x plus 8. Then 2x plus 8 will be transposed to the left and then equate to 0. So x squared, this will be minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Okay? So factors of x squared minus 2x minus 8. So this will be x. This will be plus 2. Then this will be x minus 4. Then is equal to 0. Let us check. This will be, this will be 2x. Then this will be minus 4x. So 2x minus 4x, that will be negative 2x. The middle term is correct. Then if we will multiply 2 times negative 4, that is negative 8. Then x times x, that will be x squared. Okay? So factors are correct. So x plus 2 and then x minus 4 are correct. Okay, so solving for x, so this will be x plus 2 equals 0. Then x minus 4 is equals to 0. Solving for the value of x, that will be negative 2. Then x will be transposed to the right, that will be positive 4. So I have now negative 2. Then I have also x equals positive 4. So of course, we know that this is lower limit and then this will be upper limit. Next step is I will tabulate x and y values of the curve y equals x squared. So solving for x and y values. So I will start negative 2. So y equals x squared. So when x equals negative 2, y equals circle brackets negative 2 squared. So this will be positive 4. Then negative 1. When x is equals to negative 1, y equals negative 1 squared. So this will be positive 1. Next is 0. When x is 0, so y equals 0 squared. So this will be equal to 0. Then 1. When x equals 1, 1 squared. So this will be equal to positive 1. When x equals 2, y equals 2 squared. So y equals 4. Then when x equals 3, so y equals 3 squared. This will be equal to 9. Then the last will be when x equals 4. So y equals 4 squared. So this will be 16. Okay. Then how about the line? So x. So I will start also negative 2. So when x is negative 2, so y equals, I will use this equation. 2 times negative 2 plus 8. So negative 4 plus 8, so positive 4. Then negative 1. When x equals negative 1, y equals 2 times negative 1 plus 8. So negative 2 plus 8, so this will be positive 6. When x is 0, when x is equal to 0, so y equals 2 times 0 plus 8. So this will be equal to 0 plus 8, so this will be 8. When x is 1, when x is 1, so y equals 2 times 1 plus 8. So 2 plus 8, so this will be 10. When x is 2, y equals 2 times 2 plus 8. So 4 plus 8, so this will be 12. When x is 3, y equals 2 times 3 plus 8. 6 plus 8 is equals to 14. Then the last is when x equals 4. So when x equals 4, y equals 2 times 4 plus 8. So 2 times 4 is 8 plus 8. Then this will be equal to 16. Then let us check point of intersection. So negative 2, then I have 4, negative 2, and then 4. Then 4 and 16. So meaning, lower limit, then this will be the upper limit. Okay? So allow me to erase this portion. Then the next step is, I will plot the points of the curve and the line in the Cartesian coordinates. So the highest is 16. That's 16. So this will be 4, 8, 12, 16. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 13, 13, 14. Oh, so close. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 13, 14, 15. Then 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is x, then this is y. So I will start from the curve. So negative 2 and 4. So second quadrant, negative 2 and 4 in here. Negative 1 and 1. Negative 1, then 0. Then 1 and 1. Parabola opening upward. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. 3 and 9. 3 and 9, this one. 3 and 9. 4, 16. 4, 16. Okay. Then the line is negative 2 and 4. Negative 2 and 4. This one. Negative 2 and 4. Then negative 1, 6. This is 5. Then this is 6. Then 0, 8. 0, 8. Huh? 0, 8. 0, 8. Wait, negative 2 and 4, negative 2 and 4, this one. Wait, this one is wrong. This one is negative 2 and 4, then negative 1, 6, this one. Then this one will be 8. Then 1, 10. 10, this one, 9, 10. 1, 10, 2, 12. 2, 12. 2, 12. Then 3, 14. 13, 14. So this is now the unknown, or this will be the area to be solved. Okay, so this is line y equals 2x plus 8. Then this curve is y equals x squared. Then this area is equals to square units. We know that this is plural because this is a big shaded parts. Okay, so allow me to erase this portion. So this will be area is equals to integral from negative 2 to positive 4. Then this will be y1 minus y2 dx. Okay, so integral from negative 2 to 4, open square brackets. So upper will be line. So circle brackets 2x plus 8. Then minus. The curve is x squared. Then enclose with square brackets, and then this will be dx. Simplify inside the square bracket. So this is integral from negative 2 to 4. Then I will use circle brackets. 2x plus 8 negative x squared. Then this will be dx. Then I will arrange integral from negative 2 to 4. So this will be a negative. Circle brackets x squared plus 2x plus 8. Then this will be dx. So integrating inside the circle bracket, so n plus 1 over n plus 1, so this will be negative x cubed over 3, then plus 2x squared over 2, then plus 8, integral of 8 dx, that will be 8x. Then limits from negative 2 to 4. So simplify, so this will be negative x cubed over 3, then this will be cross out, so x squared plus 8x. Limits from negative 2 to 4. Then apply f of b minus f of a. So this is UL. Then this will be LL, lower limit. So I will start with the upper limit or f of b. So open brace, open square brackets. This will be negative so upper limit first, 4. So this will be circle brackets 4 to the third power over 3. Then plus circle brackets 4 squared plus 8 times 4. then enclose with square brackets, then f of a, lower limit. So this will be negative 2 raised to the third power over 3, then plus negative 2 squared plus 8 times negative 2, then totally close with brace. Okay, since I do have space, so allow me to erase the top. So this will be equal to open square brackets. This will be negative 64 over 3, then plus 16. So circle bracket 16, then plus 32, then minus circle brackets. This is negative 8, then this will be positive 8 over 3. Negative, that will be positive. This one will be positive 4, then negative 16. Okay, so this will be open square brackets, negative 64 over 3, 16 plus 32, 48. So this will be plus 48, circle brackets, then minus 8 over 3, 4 minus 16, that will be minus 12. So LCD, this will be 3, circle brackets, then brackets. So this will be negative 64 plus 48 times 3, 24, carry 2, 12, 144. So this will be 144. Then minus, same 3, LCD is 3. Divide, that will be 8, minus 36. Because 3 divided by 1, that is 3, times 12, that will be 36. So 144 minus 64. So this will be 0, 8. So this will be 80 over 3. Then this will be minus negative 36 minus 8. So this will be 2, 16, 8, 28. So this will be 28 over 3 minus. Then enclose with square brackets. So 80 over 3, negative, that will be positive. So 28 over 3. So LCD will be 3. 80 plus 28. So 8, 108. So this will be 108. Can we divide 108 by 3? So this will be 3, 9, 18. So 36. So meaning this will be equal to 36 square units. So therefore, the area is equal to 36 square units. So this is 36. Okay, so I think that's all. A friendly reminder, if you have questions regarding this matter, just leave your comment or comments in the comment section. Then, if you agree with me, please like and share, and do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Franz Max TV. Thanks for watching.